Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today, I'm going to answer one big question. Is my clutch any good?
Hey everybody, I will be giving away the Car Addiction window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away.
Well, there are a couple of ways you can figure out if your clutch is any good. First of all, if you have an automatic, your clutch is no good. It's absolutely good for nothing. You should go and get a stick, and then you'll have a really nice clutch. To figure out if your clutch is any good, you have to understand how the clutch pedal works. So unlike a brake pedal, when you press the brake pedal, the grab of the brake starts from the top, and that's how you understand your brakes are good. The more you press, the brakes will get harder, but the grab, you're going to start feeling the brake is being applied at the very top of the pedal. It's exactly opposite when it comes to the clutch. The clutch, you go all the way down first, and then you release it a bit, and then your car starts moving. To demonstrate that, I'm going to put it in first gear, and the clutch is all the way down, and I'm going to release the clutch, and I released about an inch, and the car is moving, creeping forward. Now, if I accelerate, the car will start moving. So, to understand if your clutch is any good, the engagement of the clutch has to be not at the very bottom, probably an inch away from the bottom. If your clutch is engaging at the middle of the clutch pedal throw or at the top of the clutch pedal throw, your clutch is no good. Okay, I'm telling you right now, that is no good. And there's another way to see if your clutch is good or not. So it's actually an old man or an old mechanic's tale. To test out, first of all, you have to make sure you have a little bit more space than what I have. All right, and you're gonna put it on 5th gear. You're gonna rev till about 3,000, and let go of the clutch. If your car dies down, that means your clutch is good. If your car doesn't die down, your car is trying to pull away, that clutch is no good. So it is also an instructional video for anybody else who doesn't know how to drive a stick, and this person is going to buy a car with a stick and you don't really have anybody else with you who can tell you if it's good or not. Do this test. If that test passes, that means the clutch is usually good. If I helped you anyway, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned because a lot more car related videos are coming soon.